Can this camera really zoom to the moon? This is the Nikon COOLPIX P950, a super zoom bridge camera built around one number that sounds almost fake, an 83 times optical zoom. 24 millimeters wide, all the way to 2,000 millimeters telephoto without changing a single lens? That range covers everything, from landscapes to wildlife, most cameras simply can't reach. It handles like a small DSLR, deep grip, a real electronic viewfinder, and enough physical dials that you're not buried in menus just to change a setting. Here's the trade-off nobody puts in the marketing. That huge zoom comes from a small sensor, the same size you'd find in a point-and-shoot. In good light, it's fine, but push it into shadows or indoors, and noise shows up fast. It shoots 4K video at up to 30 frames per second, and the fully articulating screen means you can actually compose from awkward angles, useful when you're tracking something fast-moving through that long lens. Nikon even built in dedicated bird and moon shooting modes, which tells you exactly who this camera is designed for. And honestly, they work better than you'd expect for a point-and-shoot style setup. This camera makes sense for one very specific kind of buyer, someone who wants reach they can't get any other way without spending thousands on telephoto lenses and is willing to trade some low-light quality to get it. Nothing else at this price gets you this much reach in one lens. But if low-light image quality matters more to you than zoom range, this isn't your camera. Link to the exact one I used is below.